Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a General Science class for Class 1 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 5, Reading Done, page number 31 to 34. Our today's lecture number 8. My dear students, let's start our class. Chapter 5, Food from Plants. Okay, food from, the chapter name is Food from Plants. Plants are very useful to us and we get most of our food from them. Food comes from plants and animals. My dear students, underline this line. This is important line. Okay, food comes from plants and animals. Below listed are some sources of food that we get from plants. Fruits. Fruit is one of the many food we get from plants. We eat the fruit as a whole or we drink the juice of the fruit. Some of the common fruits are apple, orange, banana, mango, jackfruit. My dear students, I am repeating, fruits. Fruit is one of the many food we get from plants. That means we get fruits from plants. Okay, we eat the fruit as a whole or we drink the juice of the fruit. Some of the common fruits are, these are here given some examples of fruit: apple, orange, banana, mango, jackfruit. All are the example of fruits. Okay, now come to next page. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed and some have many seeds. Okay, underline this line. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed and some have many seeds. My dear students, look at this picture. Here, some fruits have one seed. That means mango. Mango have one seeds and some fruits have many seeds. See this figure? This is the figure of jackfruit. Okay, and jackfruit have many seeds. Now come to vegetables. Some plants give us vegetables. Vegetables are edible plants or parts of plants. Okay, underline this line. Vegetables are edible plants or parts of plant. Some vegetables can be eaten raw and some must be cooked in order to be eaten. Underline this line. This line is also important. Some vegetables can be eaten raw and some must be cooked in order to be eaten. Edible means something that can be eaten. My dear students, I am repeating, edible means something that can be eaten. Some of the common vegetables are potatoes, tomato, onion, lady's finger, brinjal, cauliflower. My dear students, here are given some examples of vegetables. Okay, potatoes, tomato, onion, lady's finger, brinjal, cauliflower. These are the examples of vegetables. Sometimes we eat some vegetables as salad. Okay, sometimes we eat some vegetables as salad. Okay, they are eaten raw with our meals. They are eaten raw with our meals. Some of these vegetables are carrot, cucumbers, tomatoes, radish, beetroot. Okay, my dear students, these vegetables are known as salad. Okay, sometimes we eat some vegetables as salads such as carrot, cucumbers, tomatoes, radish, beetroot. Now come to cereals. We get cereals from plants. We get cereals from plants. Underline this line. Okay, we get cereals from plants. Cereals are the grains that can be eaten. Cereals are the grain that can be eaten. What do you mean by cereals? Cereals are the grains that can be eaten. We get energy to work and play from cereals. Okay, underline also this line. Some of the common cereals are wheat, rice, corn. My dear students, I am repeating. These are the examples of cereals. Okay, some of the common cereals are wheat, rice, corn. Now come to pulses. We get pulses from some plants. We get pulses from some plants. Pulses are the seeds that can be eaten. My dear students, underline also this line. Pulses are the seeds that can be eaten. They help us to grow. They help us to grow. Okay. Some of the common pulses are here given some examples. See this figure. Red lentils, that means masoor dal. This is the figure of green gram, that means moong dal. And this is the figure of kidney beans, that means rajma. And this is the figure of chickpeas, that means chana. My dear students, all of these are the examples of pulses. Okay. Now come to coffee, tea and sugar. Plants give us coffee and tea to drink. My dear students, underline this line. Plants give us coffee and tea to drink. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant. Tea is made from the leaves of tea plant. We also get sugar from plant. My dear students, underline also this line. We also get sugar from plant. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Underline also this line and you have to memorize this line properly. We also get sugar from plant. Sugar is made from sugar cane. My dear students, these are the examples of coffee, tea and sugar. This is the figure of coffee plant. This is the example of tea plant. And this is the example of sugar plant. Okay. My dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Practice at home properly. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.